In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with Notion. This tutorial will help you connect your files and documents so you can access everything directly inside your Notion workspace. By integrating Google Drive, you can keep your projects organized, reduce switching between apps, and make collaboration much easier. To begin, open your Notion account and look toward the top of the screen where your profile icon or name is displayed. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage your account preferences and integrations. Once inside Settings, look for the option labeled Connections. Make sure you select the Connections tab at the top of the page, since there is another connection option lower down that is used for something different. After opening the correct connections section, click See All to view the full list of available integrations. Scroll through the list until you find Google Drive. When you see it, click Connect. At this point, Notion may ask you to sign in to your Google account. Simply log in using your usual Google credentials and follow the on-screen prompts. Once completed, your Notion workspace and Google Drive will be linked, allowing you to easily access and embed Drive files. If for any reason the direct connection does not work, or you prefer a manual method, there is another simple option. Go to your Google Drive and open the file you want to add to Notion. Click the Share option and adjust the general access settings so that anyone with the link can view the file. This step is important, otherwise the file may not display correctly in Notion. After changing the access, copy the share link. Next, return to your Notion page where you want the Google Drive file to appear. Click anywhere on the page to place your cursor, then type /embed. From the menu that appears, select Embed. Paste the Google Drive link you copied earlier into the field and click Embed link. Almost instantly, your Google Drive file will appear embedded on the page, ready to be viewed directly inside Notion. This setup is helpful for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and shared resources that need to stay updated. Any changes made in Google Drive will automatically reflect in Notion, keeping your information current without extra effort. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Drive with Notion, using both the built-in connection and the embed method. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell